Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to remove or delete a user profile in Microsoft Edge browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Edge browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one profile icon and switch to the profile you want to remove. For instance, I want to remove this one work profile from Edge browser. Then again click on this one profile icon and select this one settings option. Under profiles, select your beside the profile, click on this one triple dot menu and click here remove option. To confirm, click on this one remove profile button. This will remove particular profile from your Microsoft Edge browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC.